Hi, there has been an emergency in Moore. A tornado has hit. An emergency is an incident that threatens public health, safety, and welfare. The Federal Emergency Management Agency has declared a federal disaster aid has been made available to the state of Oklahoma to help residents recover from the damages and losses incurred from the tornado. FEMA's main goal is to coordinate efforts of preparedness, response, and recovery. The initial first response is from local government emergency services that help state and volunteer agencies. They will assess the area, search and rescue, check electrical power, provide food, water, shelter, and other basic human needs. State responds with state resources, which includes the National Guards. The damage assessment is done by local, state, federal, and volunteer organizations. They determine the loss and recovery needs. The major disaster declaration is requested by the governor based on assessments and agreement to commit state funds, resources to long-term recovery. Then FEMA evaluates the request and recommends action to the White House on the disaster. The President approves or denies the request, which could take a few hours to several weeks. There are three major categories for aid. Individual, which provides disaster housing, grants to help meet needs not covered by insurance, loans to help homeowners with repairs, crisis counseling, unemployment assistance. There's public assistance to aid state or local governments to pay part of cost of rebuilding the community. Then there's hazard mitigation, which encourages to avoid life and property risk, future disasters by relocation of homes away from flooded hazard areas. The media is encouraged to visit the disaster area, the recovery center, meet with disaster officials, and publicize the disaster aid programs, and also the toll-free registration numbers so that the victims can get assistance. Tornadoes are violent storms that can cause death, injury, and destruction within seconds. When tornadoes threatens, the goal is to go to a safest place for protection before the tornado hits. To prepare, listen to the radio or TV for tornado warnings. Sign up for text alerts and smartphone apps that provide weather warnings. Know the area that are prone to tornadoes. Stay informed. Think about how to stay informed if a power outage. Know where you will go. How to get here. Practice how you will communicate with family and friends. Practice first aid skills and emergency action through training classes. Make an emergency supply kit that includes battery-powered flashlights, first aid kit, change of clothes, whistle to notify response if trapped, dust mask, provide food, water for a couple of days. Store important documents in a fireproof and waterproof box, because those will be necessary if necessary. The public concern would be inhaling the dust from debris in the area. The population that's most affected is the underprivileged. People who are in poverty is the primary factor that's affected how individuals perceive the risk and how they understand and respond to the warnings. The long-term health effects include crush injuries from being pinned down, exposure, dehydration, hypothermia, shock, and mental health effects. I would tell people desperately waiting for help to stay calm because help is coming. A liaison officer collaborates between organizations by providing a point of contact and ensuring efficient communication and coordination of all activities are being conducted. Thank you.